Hi you guys, welcome to the real classroom setup day 4. My last vlog was kind of day 3 with a little bit of day 4, but really not a lot. So we're gonna count today as a full day 4. Yesterday we were supposed to have a full work day, but because of the hurricane, we actually canceled school. So today I have a lot to do. It's Friday, we have open house on Tuesday, so I'm kind of going ahead and preparing for that because last year I waited to the last minute. So we have a couple more decorating things, organizing a lot, and also getting stuff ready for open house. One of my biggest teacher tips is to get a bin like this. I get them from Michael's or Hobby Lobby, and I just tape that on it. And I have everything in here that I did last year. Like there's the gift I gave them. Here's like things I put up around the classroom. I typically will have an entire extra folder ready so that I know exactly what I put in the folder. And I have like my ready confetti, any extra name tags, stuff like that. They all go in here. Here's like for our class fridge. So this is just super helpful because then I know exactly what to do every year. I went ahead and just printed out a ton of things like my Meet the Teacher, my Classroom Dojo and stuff. I do need to go ahead and add my kids to Class Dojo so I can print their little login information sheets out. So we're gonna be doing a lot of that today. I'm now gonna go ahead and cut out my little handle with care slips. Okay, I have gone to lunch and I'm actually going to help my mom right now in her classroom, but we're gonna do a lot more in my classroom later. I'm gonna do my work wall, maybe go to Walmart and go ahead and get like my folders and stuff. So let's go help my mom first. Hey you guys, I'm back. I helped my mom. Now we're back in my classroom and we are gonna spend the next hour really getting a ton done in my classroom. I wanna finish my work wall and I wanna organize both of my bookshelves. So we're gonna go ahead and jump on into it. I also need to put all of this up. So this thing over there I'm keeping like that. That's all of my open house stuff that I'll show in a different vlog for open house, but this needs to go up first and then I'll be able to do this. Okay, I just got these done. I honestly wish I would have put them up and then put the little numbers on there so I can kind of figure out what order I want them to go in. But some of these have like the spotty pastels labels and some have the neutral ones from her. So I'll probably end up switching the numbers that I don't like with the ones that are from that bundle. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on up. And to be completely honest, this is gonna be a little bit harder doing it by myself because typically I have somebody here to like visually see if I'm like in line and stuff. So this might take a couple tries. Okay, bad idea just going with like what I thought. First off, I need to have a 3 somewhere in here because I have 17 students. So I'm thinking either like, I don't know what to do now. Last year I had 3s on both of the ends and it worked out, but I just don't understand how I put them there. And this just doesn't look straight to me. I'm changing the numbers, so ignore the numbers. So I'm probably going to get a ruler because I just feel like, I don't know what's wrong with it, but I need to look at a picture from last year. Okay, I went through and I made sure that in between each of those, it was 4 inches. Now the only thing is I didn't really do it from like the top or anything. I think that looks much better. But for some reason, like these two are, I think it's these two throwing me off. And I think it's because 11 is a little bit higher than that one. Okay. Much better. I think this is what I'm gonna go with. And I think I'm gonna add a 3rd one over here. We're gonna see what it looks like, but I'm gonna go ahead and take all the numbers off and then redo them. Yay, that looks so much better now that they all match the spotty pastels. I love how it turned out. This is the perfect way to do a work wall. Like just get cardstock, laminate it. Okay, I don't have number 7. I definitely thought I did. Okay, well, anyways, I'm almost done. I apparently need to print off another number 7, but I am loving it. Okay, I have all this stuff that I need to clean up. It's coming together. Open house stuff. Okay, what I think I'm gonna do now though is, here's my little to-do list. Figure out this bookshelf and this one. This is what I'm gonna start with because I pretty much know what I'm gonna do with it. Okay, I got this bookshelf done. I just kind of took some of the books out because I feel like they were overflowing. And then in here, I put all of our math flashcards. I got all these addition and subtraction ones from Oriental Trading and I love them. And then I put all of my phonics sight words ones in this one. And then here is like a math early finisher, a directed drawing early finisher tub, and then all of my write and wipe books. And then these are like special sound matching cards. So now this year I can basically say anything on this shelf they can get anytime they finish something. I love the Doodle Jam boards, but they turned out to be just more of like a playtime thing. So I think I'm gonna put all of our like fun Friday early finisher options in here, or at least in the bottom one. So I'm gonna do this at a later date though. It is already 6 o'clock. I can't believe it, but I do feel like I got so much done today. The fact I got all of my open house stuff printed out pretty much for the most part makes me feel so good. Getting my work well done was amazing. And then also that bookshelf, because I definitely wanted to tackle that. This one we will tackle next week on Monday, but I'm feeling so good. I feel like I got so much done. Hey you guys, welcome to classroom setup day 5 and probably the last classroom setup video. We are gonna try and get a ton of stuff done today. It's Sunday, but I wanted to go ahead and come on in and get all this done before tomorrow, because Meet the Teacher is on Tuesday. So I'm gonna show you what the state of the room is and kind of what we're gonna work on today. So really everything over here, I still need to organize this top part. My closet needs to be clean, like re-cleaned out and reorganized. This is all done. My door is all done. Desk stuff is all done. I need to take that box and figure out where to put that. All that stuff. I need to put my whole brain teaching rules up. And then over here, I need to like clean my board, put my little first day of school message on there, organize this, figure out what I'm doing with this, and then again, kind of just like figure out this little area, go through this whole thing. That one I finished on Friday, so that's all good. Need to put that stuff up. Over here, I have a couple of things that I need to put up, and then I want to kind of clean out these again, just because they're not terrible. And if you watch my vlogs from last year, like they were just very organized last year, so I want to like start off the year like that. So we're gonna go through these. And then over here, I have all of my like Meet the Teacher stuff that I wanna go ahead and stuff in their folders. I also got their catch-up folders that I could do. So I got these for their catch-up folders. This is all that Walmart had, so I think it'll be fine. And then I got just like paper ones for open house. I do have Feltrite. I love Feltrite. I think their designs are so cute. It helps with acoustics, but it also doubles as a cork board. I don't know where I want to put it yet. I thought it might be cute to put on this wooden thing. I like created a design. As y'all know, I don't really have a ton of wall space, so I can't really like do it how most teachers do it in a public school and they have like a ton of wall space. So I'm not sure where exactly I'm going to put it. It's not going to be in one whole spot. It's going to be kind of like around my room. So I'm thinking some there, some definitely below there. I also thought it could be cute to put some in this section up here and then down here. And I thought up here, because I've been like kind of trying to figure out what I want to do with that space, I could put Note Save Written Me, because I typically put it around my desk, but I felt like that would be a really cute spot. So I might do that as well. And then I might do some like below my class fridge or something. I don't know. I could also put it up here in the front, but there's really not a lot of room. So we're going to try and leave the walls minimalist, because I mean, I know it looks like I have a lot going on, but I really don't. My room's just so small. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, we have made really good progress in my closet. I went ahead and like just like put all these where they're supposed to go. These, that's pretty much already all organized, like, and then this is all organized. This is like extra like skills paper and stuff, laminating sheets. These are like our blue folders. Here's like little fidget things that, I mean, I wish maybe it would fit. Okay, perfect. So good. I'll make a little label for that. But these are like things that I give them out, Abeka things. Here are their special sound booklets. I would love if I could like not have this here, but I don't know. I don't know where else to put it. So TBD. If I might put these actually in that front pastel little cart. We'll see. Here's all my bulletin board stuff. Down here is like anchor charts. Here is more like work. Here's like books that I like rotate throughout the year. And then here we have, this needs to be organized, but seasonal books that I need to go through and extra read alouds. And then here, also a hot mess, is all bulletin board stuff. And then my phonics charts, which can go over there as well. So it's coming along. This is like where our snacks go. I cleaned like all of this out. There's my Abeka books, arts and crafts, and that whole thing. And here is the state of my room. And now that I'm going through all these things, it's just like, this is like winter Christmas stuff. Here are like Valentine's Day little ceramic hearts, like things like this. I'm just like, I wish like all this could kind of be seasonal crafts and stuff, but I'm going to be getting a ton of Ziploc bags and stuff for open house. So I'm going to need to kind of clear this out a little bit. So yeah, that's going to be interesting. I think I am going to put these little alphabet things over here. I figured I could use it for this spot. So we'll see. Again, I'm glad I'm coming in today so I can like figure all this stuff out now, and it'll just be more functional and better organized for the new year. Okay, we have made such good progress. Here are all of these. So that table has kick bands. This table will have the wobble stools. I haven't put them there yet. And then this table will have these. And this is looking a lot better. Those are all my tubs that like for holidays and stuff like that. Here's all like seasonal stuff. So like Valentine's Day gifts, keychains, Christmas, 100th day, first day, all seasonal. Here is like where I really don't know what to do with these, because like I only use them certain times. This is like obviously only certain times. These are their birthday cups. This is kind of like a catch-all, which I know isn't the greatest thing ever. It has like some bulletin border stuff in it, but I'm just not in the mood to deal with that right now. This is a gift for them. This is like weekly motivator. And then up here is all like of that stuff. So I'm feeling good about that. Over here needs a lot of work because at the end of the year I try to stuff things. So like this is supposed to be math. This is supposed to be phonics and language, math, and then this was spelling, which I think I'm actually going to use this over here for some spelling centers and then down there for spelling centers. So I'm like, that's like some science. So I think I might actually put science down here. Not that I have a lot for science, but, and then just like Play-Doh, because that's all right here too. That's definitely hard. So we'll throw that away. And then some other things, like that's like math stuff. Down there's decorations. And then in this one, we have just like student supplies / like my stuff, like paper, indoor recess, decorations, paper and glue. I would love to get all the desks cleared and then go ahead and do their name tags. That would be like amazing. And then like once my room is done, I feel like I can focus on meet the teacher stuff. But right now I feel like I'm feeling too overwhelmed to do meet the teacher stuff, because like if my room is looking like this, then it's just too much of a hot mess. So I'm almost done though. We have made a lot of progress. I'm not feeling amazing about it yet, but I'll show you what we've done so far. Like I said, this is all like open house back to school stuff. So like that's gonna stay how it is. I have cleared off these two tables. My cabinets I feel fine about. Here's just like some random stuff. I need to decorate my door. And then I just have like these two random bags. My closet still looks really good. This is like miscellaneous. I'm going to clear out this and then I think these and see if I can put these somewhere else, because I would really love to use this for more books. I just have so many books, and I know like I don't need all of them, but I like to have them. So I might eventually like thought about like trying to like put books up there. I just don't, one, really know like how to do that. Those caddies I am taking down because those are like for their desks. So I'm gonna go ahead and take those down. And then I might see how much room I have up there, and then I can stack a bunch of books up there too. So we'll do that in a second. But for now, I think I'm gonna go ahead and maybe do their name tags. I'd like to get more cleaned up, honestly, in the front. So actually, I need to focus. I'm too like, I get distracted too easily. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean up this front little area. I have a little Goodwill pack of stuff. So I'm gonna do that and go ahead and put some things that I'm not gonna use this year in that. All right, it's looking so good. This is a bunch of just my stuff that I brought here today, but like I went ahead and put my curriculum books back there and everything. So that all looks great. And here still looks so much better. Like I actually have like floor space to be able to find things. So that's great. I am gonna tackle those two things another day this week, but that's really not a big deal. So yeah, all the desks are cleared off. This is my door decoration. So I'll definitely put that up today. I'm gonna go ahead and put this over here. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. Look at all this clear space. Eee. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do their name tags and maybe set them out where I think they should go. And look how cute these name tags are. I think it matches my classroom so nicely. I wrote my name tags. I'm gonna wait for the laminator to heat up so I can laminate them, and then I'm gonna set them on their desks. I need to clean the desks first, but before I even do any of that, I'm gonna go ahead and do my door. Alrighty, we have finished the door. I love how it just like ties all the pastels together. Okay, I put their name tags out and got that all laid out and my open house stuff laid out. It's already almost 4 o'clock and I feel like I didn't get a ton done, even though I know I did because I organized so much. I cleaned my whole closet out. So I know tomorrow when I come, I'll just have a couple last minute things to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a to-do list for tomorrow. I just got this cute little thing from Sprinkled with Pink. It has my initials on it and I love it because it's like this little acrylic holder and the paper is like loose leaf. So you can just like pull it out and then write on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a to-do list for tomorrow. Okay, I just have 4 things because I don't want to have too much and it's overwhelming. So I want to finish my open house folders. Well, kind of just do them. I need to put my whole brain teaching rules up because I still cannot find those. I want to figure out where I can put Felt-Rite up at. So I need to do that and then just like clean up and get ready. I would love to leave tomorrow after school and basically be like done, ready for open house Tuesday, ready for the first day of school. So I think I'm gonna head to Target. I need to pick up an order, and while I'm there, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up Sprite for the first day of school because we make Jitter Juice. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up. If they have green Hawaiian Punch, then I'll get that. If not, then I'll just get it from the Dollar Tree because I think that's where I normally get it at. So yeah, I'm exhausted. I also need to just like put up things, but I think I'm gonna just leave it how it is right now because I just can't, like, you know, when you're just like overstimulated, you have too many things going on. So we're just gonna stop now. So thank you guys so much for watching Classroom Setup Day 5. Come back next time for Meet the Teacher and doing the final touches in the classroom, and that'll be the last vlog until it's finally the first day of school, which I'm so excited about. This year I've heard so many good things about my students, so I'm so excited to meet them. The one thing I didn't get done that I need to add on here is to do my QR code and read that story. So I'm gonna do that now so I can go ahead and make the QR code and everything at home. So we're gonna do that really quick because that should not take long.